two unique things about the P-Tech Academy is that the student is ready to go to work. If that's their choice, they will have skills that will give them a high-paying job with a lot of potential for growth, as well as credits to allow them to continue towards their associate degree, and they'll be halfway done when they graduate.
Hi, my name is Cedar Calero. I am a student at Cedar Creek High School, and I am attending the Advanced Manufacturing P-Tech program. The P-Tech program will not only give me transferable college credits, but an amazing job while I'm still in college.
Mentorship is a big part of our academy. We try to connect the students with professional mentors from local industries so that the student gets to know what they do in the workplace and also to see what opportunities they have. If you don't see it, you don't really strive for something that's unknown to you.
We have developed an internship program with P-Tech, and this is great because it gives kids the opportunity to see what they can expect from our industry, but also how what they're learning in high school will benefit them later on in their careers. A great example of this is math. We show them that the things that they're being taught in the classroom today will be used later in their careers.
The P-Tech program has helped me grow as a person by teaching me how to manage my time and actually learn things.
This program will help me grow as a person by being more responsible in the grades that I make and how I study and in my communication skills.